Hey, it's Matt with 911R. I'm bringing trailer, Avant-Garde. We have this 1970 RSR build, Targa Floria replica. And this was built on a 1970 long hood car. So this is a real long hood car. It's not a backdate. It does have RSR flares that have been added to it, obviously, because it's got the giant hips. It has the braid RSR 9s and 11-inch wheels on it with the Michelin TB tires on it. Inside, you got Recaro 2 seats, and you got lightweight interior, RSR door cards, Momo steering wheel, Wevo shifter with the long Wevo handle. You got a roll cage in the back. Again, the lightweight carpet with the rear seat delete. This is a really cool build. Dave Bugazzi at TRE was really involved with it, and several other prominent builders. The best thing is it's got Supertec 3.4 fuel injected motor. Actually, this has straps on the back. I don't know why it's pulling on that. But ducktail, but it's a 3.4 with cams and better pistons. And the 3.4s are the motorsport pistons, and just really a ripping motor. Got a dance sport muffler, fiberglass front and rear bumpers, fiberglass deck lid. You can see how many times this thing's done the Targa California and various other rallies. This is a great rally car. You can go out and do these vintage car rallies, or R group style runs. Go to a Rennsport and everything. This is just the quintessential Porsche hot rod. Also has the full suspension. Upgraded torsion bars, upgraded sway bars, shocks, and all this stuff. Let me open up the front so we can see. Big RSR fuel cell, large front oil cooler, strut torsion bar, strut rod, just all the cool little details. This is a car that you can go have, like I said, go do any rally, go to any cars and coffee, and just have fun with it. It's got, you can see some wear on the paint and stuff, so it's the kind of car you don't have to worry about. You don't have to worry about it having a chip or something. Just go out and have fun. Any questions about it, let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions. I'm going to go out and do another drive video here in a second because I actually really enjoy driving this car. Thanks.